Ever felt that little flutter of panic when you're about to pay with your YouTrip card, and a tiny voice in your head whispers, "Is this thing even active?" You're not alone. We've all been there, staring at that sleek piece of plastic, wondering if it's ready to whisk us away on our next adventure or smoothly handle that online purchase. Well, fret no more. Today, we're diving deep into the simple yet crucial question: how do you know if your YouTrip card is actually active and ready to go? Because let's be honest, there's nothing more frustrating than a payment being declined, especially when you're counting on your trusty YouTrip companion. Think about it. You've just landed in a new country, the aroma of local delicacies fills the air, and you're eager to grab a bite. You confidently present your YouTrip card, only to be met with a confused look from the vendor and that dreaded transaction declined message. Or perhaps you're snagging that limited edition item online, fingers crossed, only for the payment to fail. These scenarios are not just inconvenient, they can put a real damper on your plans. That's why knowing the activation status of your YouTrip card is so important. It's the first step to unlocking a world of seamless international transactions and convenient online shopping. Luckily, YouTrip has made it pretty straightforward to check if your card is active. So, how exactly do you do it? The most reliable and immediate way to confirm your YouTrip card's activation is through the YouTrip mobile application. If you haven't already, make sure you've downloaded the app and linked your physical card to your account. This digital hub is your command center for all things YouTrip, and checking your card status is just a few taps away. Once you're logged into the app, navigate to your card details. This section usually displays your card balance and transaction history. If your card is active, you'll typically see a clear indication of its status. There might be a green active label or a similar notification confirming that your card is ready for use. If you're unsure where to find this information, explore the different sections within the app. Look for options like Card, Account, or Settings. Within one of these sections, you should find details about your physical and virtual YouTrip cards, including their activation status. Another telltale sign of an active card is if you've successfully made a transaction with it before. If you've used your YouTrip card for a purchase, either online or in person, and the transaction went through without any issues, then your card is definitely active. However, if you're unsure or haven't made a purchase yet, relying on the app is the most proactive approach. It provides real-time information about your card status, giving you peace of mind before you need to use it. In the rare event that your app doesn't clearly indicate your card status, or if you encounter any issues during the activation process, which usually involves following the instructions within the app upon receiving your card, the best course of action is to reach out to YouTrip's customer support. They have dedicated teams ready to assist you with any queries or concerns you might have regarding your card. You can usually find their contact information within the app or on the YouTrip website. Checking if your YouTrip card is active is a simple yet vital step in ensuring smooth and hassle-free transactions, whether you're exploring a bustling marketplace abroad or snagging that must-have item online. By utilizing the YouTrip mobile application, you can quickly and easily confirm your card status and embark on your adventures with confidence. So, next time you reach for your trusty YouTrip card, take a quick peek at the app. A little check goes a long way in avoiding any payment hiccups and ensuring a seamless experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.